Morning students. Today now we are discussing about secondary limboid organ. The last class பார்த்தீங்க அப்படினா primary limboid organ in birds, Persa fabricius பார்த்தோம். Then next mammals containing bone marrow and thymus பார்த்தோம். Today now we are discussing about secondary limboid organ. Okay. Secondary limboid organ. So the secondary limboid organ otherwise called peripheral limboid organ. Okay, the secondary limboid organ otherwise called peripheral limboid organ. Okay, so what are the uses of secondary limboid organ? So primary limboid organ உடைய வேலை provide appropriate environment for maturation of lymphocytes. இங்க secondary limboid organ உடைய வேலை என்ன சார் அப்படினா, that is capturing the antigen, then contact with lymphocytes or mature lymphocytes, then fight against. Okay, இங்க secondary limboid organ, the antigen is located into particular place. That is a secondary limboid organ. Okay, what are the uses? It can be effectively exposed to the matured lymphocytes. Okay, what are the example? That is lymph node, spleen, tonsils, okay, malt, palt, adenoid, Peyer's pages, etc. Okay, what are the example for secondary limboid organ? Lymph node, spleen, tonsil, malt, palt, then adenoid, Peyer's pages, etc. Okay, so what is lymph node? Lymph node is one of the small vessels that is present in the course of lymphatic vessel. Then spleen, graveyard, largest limboid organ in humans. Tonsil, okay, one of the adenoid, that is palatine tonsil. Then malt, mucus associated lymphoid tissue. Then cut associated lymphoid tissue. Then palt, prongus associated lymphoid tissue. Then adenoid, the adenoid is present in where? That is located into roof of the mouth. Okay, then Peyer's pages. Okay, next first getting Peyer's pages. What is Peyer's pages? Okay, the Peyer's pages is safe in a safe. It is a oval shaped cells. Which is safe அப்படினா oval shaped. Okay, that is வந்து பார்த்தா அப்படினா oval, elliptical in shape அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, that is a thickened dish, oval in shape, thickened. Okay, that is present in where? Okay, the Peyer's pages embedded or located into mucus secreting lining of small intestine of human and vertebrates. It located in or embedded, located in mucus secreting small intestine of human and other vertebrates, all backboned animals. Okay, இப்போ the Peyer's pages cells எப்படி இருக்கும்? Oval shaped thickened tissue ஆ இருக்கும். Located into where அப்படினு கேட்டா mucus secreting lining of small intestine of human or vertebrate. Okay, but what are the cells can present in Peyer's pages? Okay, there are three cells Peyer's pages containing. First one is called macrophages. Second B and T cells. Other one is called Tendrich cells. Okay, what are the use of macrophages? The macrophages engulfing pathogens. Second, B cell to kill bacteria, T cell to kill virus, dendritic cell other immune cells. It can destroying pathogens. Okay, prayer pages oval safe இருக்கும், thick and tissue இருக்கு. That is located into where அப்படினு கேட்டா, that is mucus secreting small intestine of human and vertebrates. What are the cells can present? Macrophages, B cell, T cell, dendritic cell. Macrophages engulfing pathogen, B cell to kill bacteria, T cell to kill virus, dendritic cell to kill pathogen or destroying. Okay, the second one is called tonsil. உள்நாக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம், tonsil. Okay, but tonsil otherwise called palatine tonsil. Palatine tonsil. What is palatine? Palatine means என்னது? That is roof of the mouth. ஆன் வாயை பொளந்தோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாவே இந்த region. That is a palatine region. Okay, but the palatine region, that is a palatine. That is இங்க என்ன சார்னா pair of soft tissue. Okay, the pair of soft tissue were located into a pair of soft tissue located into where? Back of the pharynx அல்லது back of the throat. எங்கடா இருக்கு? Back of pharynx or throat. Back of pharynx or throat. Okay, what are the uses? That is fight infection, fight against the antigen. Okay, it can preventing or destroy invading germs into the mouth. There is both bacteria and virus. Okay, what are the uses? Help. What are the uses? That is stop invading. Invading microbes, particularly bacteria and virus. Particularly bacteria and virus. Okay, but tonsil அப்படிங்கிறது one of the palatine tonsil, pair of soft tissue located into where அப்படின்னு கேட்டா back of the pharynx or throat. What is pharynx? That is a common pathway for food and air. Okay, one of the that is part of lymphocytes or lymphatic system. Tonsil one of the lymphatic system. What are the uses? To stop invading germs into the body. Okay, then the next one is called spleen. What is spleen? The spleen is a largest lymphoid organ of our body. It is a graveyard. சுடுகாடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Spleen சுடுகாடு. Largest lymphoid organ. Largest lymphoid organ, spleen. That is a graveyard. Largest secondary lymphoid organ. Largest secondary lymphoid organ. Okay, like located into where? Okay, upper abdominal cavity. That is a head, neck, thorax, abdomen. That is the upper abdominal cavity. Located into where அப்படினா upper abdominal cavity. Located into where? Upper abdominal cavity. Okay, enclose diaphragm. Enclose the diaphragm. Okay, containing, what are the cells can present? Both B and T cells are present. The spleen containing B and T cells are present. So the B cell involve humoral immunity. Okay, T cell involves cell mediated immunity. Okay, what is spleen? Spleen is a largest secondary lymphoid organ located into where? Upper abdomen. Okay, and the upper part of the abdomen close to the diaphragm. Okay, containing both B and T cells are present. B cell involved in humoral immunity, that is a blood related immunity, because antibody mediated immunity, because protection of antibody, that is T cell mediated immunity. It can involve cells, that is T cells. Okay, then another one is called adenites. What is adenine? So adenine is one of the secondary lymphoid organ. It is located into where? The adenine is located into roof of the mouth. Behind the soft palate. Adenine secondary lymphoid organ. Okay. It is located into where? Located into roof of mouth. Or behind the soft palate. Okay, adenine is one of the secondary lymphoid organ. The second, it is located into where? Roof of the mouth or behind the soft palate. Okay, what are the uses? Okay, it can connecting with the nose. Okay, our nose connected to the throat. Soft palate where the nose connected to. Your nose connected. The nose connected through throat. ENT ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? Eustachian canal. அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்க. But in this adenine, roof of the mouth behind the soft palate, which connected to the nose into the throat. Okay, what are the uses? The adenine produce antibody with the help of fight of infection. The adenine can producing antibody AB the against infection or against antigen. Okay, then appendix. Okay, then adenine. Adenine இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. இப்போ இந்த adenine, okay, typically adenine shrink அப்படியே சுருங்கிரும் during the adolescence. The adenine shrink adolescence. Okay, then disappear by adulthood. வயசாக ஆக உனக்கு என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா disappear ஆகும். Okay, then appendix. What is appendix? Appendix is a small sac-like structure or pouch-like structure present between small intestine and large intestine. சிறுங்குடலும் பெருங்குடலும் இணையக்கூடிய இடத்துல ஒரு pouch-like sac is called appendix. Okay, the appendix otherwise called vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix. That is a worm-like appendix. It can against the infection. Idu enoda use enna? Against the infection. Okay, then malt. Mucus associated lymphoid tissue. That is presence of where அப்படினு கேட்டா respiratory tract, reproductive tract, that is intestinal tract. Respiratory, reproductive, that is intestinal tract. Okay, or urinogenital tract. Reproductive or urinogenital. What is urinogenital? Both reproduction and excretion. Okay, what are the cells can present in malt? The malt containing B cell, T cell, macrophages, plasma cell, immunoglobulin, etc. Okay, the malt containing or mucus containing B cell, T cell, macrophages, plasma cells, immunoglobulin, etc. Okay, what are the uses? Okay, each of these cells can against the antigen. passing through mucus or mucous epithelium or prevent entry of microorganism into the body. Then next calt. What is calt? Cut associated lymphoid disease is called calt. Then palt. Prangus associated lymphoid disease is called palt. Okay, first calt. Cut associated lymphoid tissue. Okay, the cut associated lymphoid tissue is called calt. This is a components of malt. Malt என்னென்ன சொன்னமோ அது அப்படியே இருக்கும். அதே B cell, T cell, okay, macrobacillus etc. Then palt. Prangus associated lymphoid tissue or trachea associated lymphoid tissue. Okay, இதுவும் components of malt. Okay, இதனுடைய வேலை என்ன சார்? That is found in the respiratory mucosa or nasal cavity of the lungs. That is prevent or entry of microorganism into the body or destroy it. Okay, what is secondary lymphoid organ? What are the examples of? Okay, first the pair pages பார்த்தோம், tonsil பார்த்தோம், spleen பார்த்தோம், next வந்து பாருங்க adenoid, then next வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா malt, calt, palt. ஓகேவா? இது அப்படியே படிச்சுக்க next class பார்ப்போம். Okay, thank you.